Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best microfiber towels is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any car enthusiast's arsenal, capable of delivering a swirl-free, showroom-quality shine that protects your vehicle's paintwork from scratches and damage during the washing and drying process, ensuring your car not only looks its best but also maintains its value over time with proper care and maintenance. Number 5. S&T Incorporated Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 150 pack. Introducing a 150 pack of microfiber cleaning cloths. These versatile towels are perfect for all your cleaning needs around the house. They serve as excellent kitchen cleaners and are a great addition to your car cleaning kit. Keep your spaces spotless with ease. Our ultra-soft, lint-free cloths are ideal for delicate surfaces. They effectively clean wood, glass, mirrors, tile, and more without scratching. Use them as bathroom or kitchen towels, for cleaning TV screens, or even on mops for floor cleaning. They are a fantastic alternative to disposable dusting cloths. These small cloths are machine washable and durable, making them a sustainable choice. They are a great alternative to disposable paper towels or wipes. Highly absorbent, they can be used dry or with your favorite cleaning spray. They are perfect for cleaning, soaking up spills, and even cleaning pet paws. What we like. If you need a large quantity of versatile cleaning cloths for various tasks around the house and car, this bulk pack is an excellent choice. They are super absorbent and lint-free, making them ideal for general cleaning, dusting, and even pet messes. If you like to have plenty of towels on hand for everyday use without worrying about running out, you should consider this option. What people say. Great absorbency, and awesome quality. Last a long time if you hand wash and air dry them, you can reuse them over and over again. Not terribly thick, but they make up for it in absorbency, softness, and drying time. I use them for everything, cleaning windows, dusting, my truck interior and anything that requires a soft touch. They are soft and they work very well and absorb a lot of liquid for their size. They're also great for cleaning. I love all of the different colors that come in the package because you're able to assign a color to a specific task within your household and not have to worry about mixing them up. Number 4. Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels, Gold. Introducing our professional-grade microfiber towels. They are ultra-soft and designed to be scratch-free, ensuring a perfect finish every time. These gentle towels are safe for all surfaces, including paint, glass, and chrome. You can use them confidently without worrying about scratches or lint. Featuring high-pile fibers, they are ultra-absorbent. They efficiently soak up water in cleaning solutions, leaving surfaces spotless and streak-free. These towels are durable and reusable, designed to withstand hundreds of washes. They maintain their softness and absorbency, making them a long-lasting addition to your kit. This value pack includes 12 towels, perfect for all your detailing needs. You'll have plenty for paint correction, interior cleaning, and glass care. Beyond cars, these versatile cloths are ideal for trucks, motorcycles, and even household use. They are perfect for cleaning windows, electronics, and furniture. What we like. For those who demand a flawless finish on their vehicle, these ultra-soft, scratch-free towels are a must-have. They are designed to safely remove wax and detail sprays, ensuring a streak-free shine on paint, glass, and metal. If you are serious about car detailing and want to protect your paintwork from swirls and scratches, you should choose these. What people say. The thing that is of importance here is that these towels have the same amount and type of materials, 70% polyester 30% polyamide, as the ones from South Korea. These are excellent premium, thick microfiber cloths. Best on the market for serious detailers and car aircraft aficionados. The towels have two distinct sides, one where the piles are much taller, and the other with low piles. Personally, I like having both on the same towel. For most applications, like rinseless waterless washing, both sides will do equally well. Where these towels truly shine for me is when I have to remove used compound, polish or wax from the car. I find that the low pile side is ideal for removing most of the product on the first wipe. As the pile is lower, it is not as grabby when it collects large amounts of product. When you have collected most of the product, flip the towel or get another one with the plush side, and buff the fine remaining layer safely. The high piles feel safer on the paint when there is no more product. Number 3. Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels, 6-pack. Introducing our professional-grade microfiber towels, designed for a superior clean. They are ultra-soft and scratch-free, ensuring a flawless finish every time. These gentle cloths are safe for all surfaces, including paint, glass, and chrome. You can use them with confidence on any part of your vehicle or home. Featuring high-pile fibers, they efficiently soak up water and cleaning solutions. This means fewer passes and a spotless, streak-free shine. Built to last, these towels are machine washable and reusable hundreds of times. They maintain their softness and absorbency wash after wash. This convenient 6-pack includes large towels, perfect for all your drying, buffing, and product removal needs. Get great value for your detailing tasks. Ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even household use. They are perfect for cleaning windows, electronics, and furniture, making them a truly versatile cleaning tool. What we like. If you're looking for larger towels that can cover more surface area and absorb more liquid efficiently, this option is for you. The high-pile fibers are excellent for drying and buffing, reducing the number of passes needed. If you prefer fewer towels for drying and polishing your car, especially for larger vehicles, you should consider these. What people say. The microfiber seems to be of excellent quality, with one side having longer loops resulting in a fluffier feel that is great for drying your car or doing a soft buff, while the other side has a much tighter nap that is excellent for removing buffing polish, compound or other products that leave a crusty residue. The dual-sided nature makes the towel very diverse, while the quality of the microfiber and the adequate density of the towels make them an all-around excellent towel. This towel is not of a high GSM, but it absorbs water like a high-quality chamois wood. Easy to wring out and dries fast. Definitely lives up to the name of Miracle Dryer. Cleans well, looks great, nice size. They really work very well. They are large, absorb very well, and are nice and thick. The price I paid was very fair, so performance for the price was really exceptional. The bottom line is, they work very well and the reviews are legit. Very good product, and I will order more at the price I purchased them at just to have some for the future. Number 2. Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels, 3-pack. Introducing our professional-grade microfiber towels. They are ultra-soft and scratch-free, perfect for safely removing wax and sprays for a flawless finish. These gentle towels are safe for all surfaces, including paint, glass, and chrome. They won't scratch or leave lint, making them ideal for any detailing task. Featuring high-pile fibers, these cloths soak up water and cleaners efficiently. They reduce the number of passes needed, leaving surfaces spotless and streak-free. These towels are machine washable and built to last. They can withstand hundreds of washes without losing their softness or absorbency. This value pack includes 3 16 by 16-inch towels. You'll have plenty for paint correction, interior cleaning, and glass care. Ideal for cars, trucks, and motorcycles, these versatile cloths are also great for household use. Clean windows, electronics, and furniture with ease. What we like. For car enthusiasts who need high-quality detailing towels but don't require a massive quantity, this compact pack offers great value. They provide a scratch-free experience and are versatile enough for various detailing tasks, from paint correction to interior cleaning. If you're looking for a smaller set of premium towels for your car care routine, you should consider this. What people say. They dry and performed amazing. They don't scratch your car, they don't shed like other towels. The material feels premium like stated before. These rags are soft, durable, and do exactly what I need them to. I've been using them for detailing my car, and they pick up dust, polish, and wax without leaving behind streaks or lint. They're gentle enough on paint but still tough enough for interior cleaning. These microfiber towels are 16 inches by 16 inches. They are bigger and thicker than most others I have used. They do a great job and leave them lint-free. They dry quickly and do not leave streaks. I like the silky edges. They should help prevent scratches on my paint. Number 1. Chemical Guys Workhorse Microfiber Towels, black 16 by 16 inch, 3-pack. Introducing our professional-grade microfiber towels, designed for exceptional cleaning. They are perfect for detailing your car and ensuring a scratch-free finish on all surfaces. Experience the ultra-soft touch of our premium microfiber blend. These towels gently lift dirt and dust without causing any scratches, making them safe for even the most delicate finishes. Built to last, these towels feature strong stitched edges that resist fraying. They hold up through repeated washes, offering long-lasting performance and value for all your cleaning needs. These versatile towels are perfect for more than just cars. Use them for cleaning your house or even drying your pets. They handle water, polish, wax, and sprays with ease. Our high-pile fibers quickly absorb water and cleaning sprays. This means less streaking and spotting, allowing for faster drying and buffing with minimal effort. This pack includes 3 professional-grade towels, each sized at 16 by 16 inches. They come in black, making them ideal for assigning specific tasks like interior cleaning, drying, or polishing. What we like. If you need a durable, multi-purpose towel that can handle tough jobs like washing, drying, and even pet care, this is a great option. Its Workhorse design ensures it can withstand repeated use and washing while remaining scratch-free. If you're looking for a reliable towel for both automotive cleaning and other household or pet-related tasks, you should consider this. What people say. The fabric feels plush yet durable, and it's incredibly effective at catching dust, grime, and moisture without scratching surfaces. The black Workhorse towels are incredibly soft and safe to use on paint, glass, and interior surfaces. They don't leave any lint or streaks behind, which is a huge plus when working on delicate finishes. Awesome towels. Very thick and absorbent, see the picture and how much thicker these are than other thin versions I've purchased before. Larger size than standard. The edge finishing makes them durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.